Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about virtual machine in Azure subscription. So first question is, what is virtual machine and what is used in our organizations? So virtual machine is the virtualized form, virtualized machine which work like a system, which work like a laptop, which work like your servers. And in the same server, you will virtualize your your hardware and you can use it. So virtual machine is very useful in most of the organizations. So how we can use it? First, you should have a Azure subscription. So I'm assuming right now you have a Azure subscription. You will go here and you can find here you will click create resource and here you will go and you will search virtual machine. When you will click it, you will find in marketplace you will find lot of different type of variety of virtual machines. But I am not interested for all of one because there are different type of virtual machines. And some are Microsoft is selling and some are different companies are selling. But my question is which one I should choose it? I'm still confused. But as I tell you that the virtual machine which Microsoft is selling and it mentioned that the very basic virtual machine, I will choose it. And it is saying that Azure Virtual Machine provide on-demand, high-scale, secure, virtualized infrastructure, either Linux or Windows operating system. So this is the one of options, or you can go here. If you still have a doubt, you can go here. You will go and you will search it here. Okay. Now let's assume that you have a virtual machine. Now you want to create it. You have to choose. There are multiple options are available. Virtual machine create a virtual machine hosted by Azure. So this is the option. This looks like a very intuitive. So I will choose this option. Yeah. So you will find first option is pay as you go. Pay as you go means as long as you want this virtual machine, you have to pay, and the payment will debit it from your account, either debit card or either credit card. So I have added here my debit card. So now you have to create a resource group. What is a resource group? Resource group is nothing. It is just a logical container like a box. You will create all the different resources, Azure resources, keep it inside so that you can just categorize it. You can just more organized way you can create the resources. So that's the way how Azure resource group. So suppose in your different architecture have a different so many resources. So you can just make one resource group and keep all resources inside that Azure resource group, and that will help you to organize your resources source. So now first I want to create resource group. So I'm just taking demo. VM RJ resource group, and I'm just want demo -VM. You can choose any name, and you need to remember that the location. So which location you want to choose. So there are lot of options are available here. You can choose East US 2, South, West US 2. So different region you can create it as you have needed. You can create it. So if you'll go in East US, you will find there have a lot of availability options are available. Means the same VM you can create in one location and that replicate to the another location also. So these are the options when you want to make your virtual machine more high scalable, because there have more um, it's help you to up your system longer period. If any disasters happen, this VM will the another VM will up. So right now I'm not interested in any redundancy because I'm just interested how I can create it. So the security, so I just want any standard VM only. So now I want to create Windows 10 Professional. and my intention is A64 spot discount. If any spot discount I want, I just want any this or okay, leave it this. I just want user. I just want public IP, RDP you want in your organization. Actually, public IP is not required, then you can select none. If public IP is allowed, you can select. RDP is 3389. Whenever you will select 3389 means RDP will allowed. Now, next option, I'm just choosing if I have any Windows licenses. You can use it. If you will use it, they will charge you. So any encryption in the hosting, if you are selecting yes, it will do encryption. I don't want. And SSDs are very costly. So for this, for testing purpose, I will use standard HHD. If delete the VM, delete, it will also delete. I don't want to add any new hard disk. It will create the virtual machine, virtual network, subnet, public IP, public port, everything I am selecting. Yes. Delete the NIC. If when you will delete the VM, it will delete the its basic in networking side also, public NIC IP also. So I have selected it here. I don't want any load balancer, so I have just selected this. I don't want any more configuration here. I don't want any boot. I don't want any booting diagnostics. No, I don't want. I don't want any tagging. Tagging is basically used for uh, when you want to see that what exactly it is going inside. So, and my costing is 0.4084 per hour. And yeah, these are the very basic information that what I have chosen. I have chosen pay as you go, East US, no infrastructure redundancy, standard, my password, user ID, password, and delete the public IP when I will delete the virtual machine. So when I will delete the virtual machine, there is no use any other networking information related to that VM. So that's why I have selected yes. Now I want to deploy it. So this screen is actually helping to create virtual virtual machine. So what I found here, this this public IP created, NSG created, network security group, virtual network created. This virtual machine is also creating. And virtual machine will take some time because it is it is actually creating inside operating system which we have selected. What we have selected, window 10 professional. So it will install. It will not install because the images are there. So but it will freshly configure it for that VM. So it will take little time and not that much time. What actually it is needed for when we are deploying, when we are configuring our laptop, not that much, but yeah, little bit time it will take. So firstly you find that these many networking information created by this Azure. Once it created, then on top of that, virtual machine created. You can find here. So now you can see here virtual machine deployed. I have seen here it is available here. Now I want to connect it. You can connect using this. So I have just chosen the different one. So now it is asking. Now this virtual machine connected. So that's it, my friend. So are you able to see that it is Windows 10 Professional? It is selected. You remember that we have used user admin at the rate one user admin. We have selected the user. So that's what we did today. Yeah, it's taking first time, so it is configuring the desktop, and I hope you enjoyed. So we will meet next time in any other topic. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Bye bye.